Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Santosh Hanbaragan. And today's video, I'm just gonna walk through you the recently built RAG application, which is utilizes OpenAI's API. So we are using basically the LLM to query the document, and here the application high-level overview. You can upload your document, and this document will be converted into small chunks, like variable chunks, and these chunks will be stored into the vector stores, and afterwards you can query. And it's basically an interactive application question answering system kind of. I'll show you. Let me share my screen. So here you are seeing my GitHub. I named it as mini rag notebook LM. So I just named it as this concept I inspired from Google Notebook LM. Basically Google is the high level rag based system, so you can upload your documents and you can do many things, many stuff. So this is for the tech enthusiast and the developers who wants to know how this rag system works, and this is a hobby based project. And here is the system. So you are seeing here this readme file says so mini notebook LM sophisticated retrieval augmented generation system that transforms document interaction through advanced natural language processing. So nothing like basically you can interact with your own language. So that's what it says. So now it supports English. In future we can implement other languages as well. So here I have attached the screenshot, so you can go to my GitHub. You can pull this project meanwhile while watching this, and you can just go through the steps one by one. For the user convenient, I have hosted this application already in the Streamlit, so you can click on this link and it will open the new tab where you can see this notebook is hosted using the Streamlit application. So it is a cloud. It is already in the cloud, guys, so you can use it. So only requirement here is you need to have your own API key. So once you pasted that API key, let me paste it. Yeah, once you pasted your API key, see, please enter your open API key in the sidebar to begin. I'm just clicking enter. So next, the moment it will change to please upload a document in the sidebar to begin. So basically here, after entering the open API key, it will create your template and to query, and you can drag and drop your documents whatever you want to query. So that's it basically. Afterwards it will be this window will be converted into chat window. You can query it. So I just queried. Act as experienced tutor, I wanted to create a tailored roadmap for Gen AI. So here is the roadmap: understanding the basics 1 to 2 months, and deep dive into deep learning and neural networks, focus on generative. So this is the basic stuffs we are gonna query. And here that I already put it in a text TXT. So here the limitation is now it is only supports PDF format and text format. In future we can upgrade it. So here is the Gen AI roadmap TXT I have stored already. Yeah, once the document is uploaded, it will be converted. This text will be extracted from the document and it will be converted into the manageable chunks, and these chunks will be stored into the vector database. Here we are using the Facebook's fastest database, vector database. And after that, whenever you are querying whatever the content which is related present in the document, it will be fetched and it will be passed to the OpenAI, and it will be converted and it will be represented in the better format. Basically whatever you are seeing in ChatGPT, so that's what it is. So here the document is processed, and here you can visualize it. I'm using a Python plotly to visualize this chunks. So basically, see, document processed is successful. Here we got the query text box. So I have already a couple of questions here. So what is this document about? I'm just querying it, clicking enter. So here it is processing the query. Yeah, here we got the chat history. So here it is time, questions, and answers. So document outlines a structure plan for mastering the generative AI. Basically in 2025, basically it is the roadmap that we have created from chat GPT, right? So that's what it is. Also here we are having the source from where this content is fetched. So how it summarized this document. So here we can see the resource. Okay, and I'm let me query one more thing. This is my second query, so it is processing. It's taking little time. Yeah, See, multi-modal generative AI. AI is an art, music, creativity, scaling and deploying AI models, and advanced AI techniques, reinforcement learning, many things. So again, here it is the source from where it fetched. From this document, obviously we know that. See here, if you notice, if you see guys, here it is maintaining the chat history, which is nothing but I'm using Streamlit to visualize this entire application. So Streamlit having the feature of storing your sessions. So basically storing all these querying questions, answers, and the user interaction, everything in the session. So it's retrieving from the session and it is displaying here. That's it guys, nothing else. So this is the high level overview of this application. I want you guys to go and just pull this repo. Here is the code guys. Basically I don't want to go into this code snippets line by line, so I'll just give you the overview. So here we have defined rate limiter, so you can limit the request per minute, and stream handler to get the response from OpenAI and integrate into your application seamlessly. So that's what the stream handler. And here we have having the document processor method, and here we are initializing the state. So if you I'll tell you, you can go from this main, and here we have defined the Streamlit title, everything whatever you have seen in this seen the application. It's it. Here you are initializing a state, document is processing here. That's it guys about the code. It's a very simple code structure. Thanks for watching this guys, thanks for supporting, and if you are not subscribed and still watching this video, just do subscribe and motivate me to make more videos like this. Thank you.